JOBY stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Joby Aviation stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. This is super solid. I like this quite a lot. And if I zoom even out, I mean zoom a little bit in, I'm looking to just hopefully double down even more and buy. You know, at the time I was hoping I'd see the same exact thing, but the rules never got met. Now all I'm looking for is clarity, right? This specifically, no, but if I do see the price pulling down and giving me a confirmation, then that's a heck yes for a buy for me. You know, immediately buying, it's not going to happen. Because there's just a crap ton of liquidity. I want to clear that out and then reaccumulate it. By the way, with Joby, I've also got a bunch of receipts too, like 8 results, not small. So stay tuned, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.